Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So people have asked that I try an infinity pour with the ready mixed pouring paint from Artist Loft. So we're going to do that, and we're going to basically do warm colors versus cool colors. I only have 6 colors, so I'm going to use all of them. This is a 10 by 10 canvas, so I only need about 3 ounces in each cup. I don't unfortunately have any smaller cups right now. So on this side, I'm using white, blue, and purple. For those of you who don't know, the ready mixed paints, they're already just, as it says, ready mixed. So you don't need to do anything. You just go and paint. And get these at Michael's. There are some other pre-mixed pouring paints that I'm going to be trying out, but this is what I've got for now. So on this side, we're using black and red and yellow. All right, I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more to each cup just for safety. Going a tiny bit more purple on this side and a little bit more white. Whoops, okay. The cups are just about even. So I'm going to get everything out of the way, and then we'll do our pour. All right, so here goes nothing. I think this is going to look pretty friggin' awesome. I like doing the infinity pours on square canvases for some reason. I just think it comes out really cool. So the cool thing about these paints is they seem to be a bit thicker, so they don't quite blend as much as other paints, which is why I'm kind of excited about doing an infinity pour with these, because the infinity pour has all these fun lines and designs and patterns. And this is looking super fun already. Super fun. Okay. I love it. What do you guys think? To bring it back just a little bit this way. Awesome. Okay. So I have not found this paint to develop cells on its own. So it should pretty much stay like this. But let's go ahead. We'll let this sit for just a minute or two. And then we will do our close-up. Okay, we're back. So yeah, really not much changed. No cells popped up or anything. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. All right, bottom right-hand corner. So this is just super cool, like the ultimate ribbons. Upper right-hand corner. And for anyone unfamiliar with this paint, it does dry super glossy just like it is right now. Upper left-hand corner, down to the bottom left-hand corner. And even though these paints don't mix as much, they do still mix a bit. So we've got some different shades of blue and whatnot in there. I am thinking doing some kind of a sunset with this red and yellow would be pretty awesome. So I may do that with the purple, red, and yellow. And here is our overall picture. So I did an infinity pour with virtually the same exact colors, but not with this kind of paint, and the result was completely different. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll post a link down in the description. It's to date one of my favorite paintings in the world, but I think this came out really cool. Please let me know what you guys think about this. I would love to know also if you've tried the infinity pour yet or not, because it's super duper fun. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you all next time.